In this section, let's check the pricing for CodePipeline. But again, once you are using CodePipeline, please check the latest pricing of CodePipeline from Amazon website. This is the pricing as on date. It is always recommended to check the latest pricing. It may or may not change. Now for CodePipeline, for AWS free tier users, it offers new and existing customers one free active pipeline each month. So it is very helpful for developers to get one free active pipeline each month. And the free uses is calculated each month across all regions and automatically applied to your bill. Free uses does not accumulate. Remember it. Free uses does not accumulate. Now, if you are using more than one CodePipeline, then definitely that will cost you $1 per active pipeline per month. And if you are thinking what is an active pipeline, the definition of active pipeline is that has existed for more than 30 days and has at least one code change that runs through it during the month. Your pipeline can incur additional charges as well, but that is due to the other AWS resource or third-party services that you connect to your pipeline. Now let's move to next section.